Today is November 1st, which is the kind of a last Sabbath of the month and first Sabbath of the month, I believe. So it's potluck day. Anyway, I cooked some things. I cooked some chicken. Well, I didn't cook the chicken, everything cooked it, baked it, and then I cooked some mincemeat, ground beef. So anyway, let's go. Done eating our potluck. This guy cooked spicy food and he didn't even eat it. Anyway, we're done. Not a lot of us here. Around 10 or 11 of us only. So there was a lot of food. Warren enjoyed it. To do some photo session before we go home. We're just done from our fellowship and potluck. Warren is the cameraman. So it is a beautiful Sunday morning. It's around 6:30 now. Kind of woke up late. Today is basketball day. So few days ago we met with Kayla and we were planning to have some basketball games, and we planned that Sunday morning will be the perfect day for some basketball. So that's why I'm up here morning. So my phone have been having some battery issue. So right now it cannot be turned on or charged. So I'm actually just walking up to Ricky's place to check if they left already for the court. So we are playing inside AUP campus. So I'm just gonna check them and then go around and then go inside the school. I think I'm running late. I think they left 5:30, I'm assuming, but we'll see. The gates is open. Hi, Rick. So apparently there's no one home. So that means everyone is at the court already. So let me just go in campus now. here at the court. This is like the Radas Park, and only 3 boys are here. So yeah, I went and Ricky is already here. I met Kayla along the way, so probably we're gonna just shoot some hoops and then go home. We were planning to play a full game, but we couldn't. Less numbers. Good. Yeah. It's just me, Ricky, Halo, Benji, and Kayla. Just like there are some people here early and they got the court, so we are just waiting for them to be done, and then we're gonna do some hoops and off-court game. Just done from our basketball. There's not a lot of us today, just these people here. That's the only people we played. We played 3-3 and then 4-4. Anyway, it's around 9 a.m. now. We started playing at 7 a.m. So we're done. Now we're going home. So yeah, this is it. A mini vlog. See you on the next one.